For today's nail art, we are going to be doing some double stamping. I'm starting off with my nails painted Plum Lush from Sinful colors, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. For the background, I'm going to stamp some black splatter using ZJoy Plus 034. Over the background, I'm going to stamp a silver design using ZJoy Plus 043. Now remove the liquid latex and finish with a matte top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.